We open on Captain Lipton standing on his rooftop garden under the afternoon sun, spotting moments of hustle through his Lipton binoculars. As his binoculars zoom into a moment of hustle, we see it locking in, almost like a target has been locked in. Hustle spotted! We spot a young man running into his office building dressed in a formal suit. He looks hassled, with the scorching sun blaring down on him too. Just as he enters, he sees a big out-of-order board plastered across the lift. We see him loosening his tie, wiping the sweat off his forehead. The heat and frustration is getting onto him. Just then, Captain Lipton makes a superhero entry. We see him sliding down the railing of the staircase in style, landing right in front of the young man, while holding an ice bucket full of chilled Lipton iced tea. He pushes the ice bucket towards the young man. We see he craves it. He then pulls a chilled Lipton iced tea bottle out of the ice bucket. We see condensation on the bottle. He gulps it. The wave swirls within the bottle and he does the upshake. Iced tea bana chatpata. Feeling mentally uplifted and physically refreshed with the chatpata iced tea, he now gets a quirky idea. We see the young man standing outside the building. He looks up and shouts, "Excuse me!" and does the lift gesture with his hand. Cut to, we see a platform with window cleaners descend right in front of him. He steps onto the platform and begins to go up along with the window cleaners. As he passes each floor, people look at him in amusement. He then reaches his office, opens the window and enters. His colleagues look at him, surprised and in awe. The man looks at his watch and smiles. Because not only has he made it on time, he's also turned a moment of hustle into a chatpata moment. Daily hustle को बनाओ चटपटा. नया Lipton iced tea. पियो जियो चटपटा. In the comeback shot, we see Captain Lipton, our protagonist, the window cleaners, chilling on Captain Lipton's rooftop garden, drinking Lipton iced tea under the sun and enjoying, while Captain Lipton picks up his Lipton binoculars to spot the next moment of hustle.